Good morning, Zoidies, and welcome back to another video. So in this decorative planning video, I wanted to do something a little bit different for my mini happy planner. I was going to make like a cover page for November, but I think I'm gonna also do like, what is it called? A book log page, I think. Yeah, like basically you're reading books and you write down what you read and you can read or whatever. So I thought about making a book log page slash cover for November for my mini happy planner. I think it's going to come out so cute because I will be using stickers from this happy planner book that I got on clearance, by the way. Super cute. It's just different kind of seasons, and it's one of the bigger sticker books, which I've never had before. Actually, I've never had one this size. So actually I did use this one other time in another mini happy planner cover video that I did. It'll be linked at the end. The paper pad that I'm using is Academia. Ooh. So I got this one at Michael's, and immediately when I saw it, I thought of Harry Potter. But I don't know. I gotta look for like some Harry Potter stickers and stuff. But just a quick flip through. So it's a nice paper pad. I love it. So the paper I'll be using from the paper pad is this nice bookcase, bookshelf, library kind of paper pattern. I thought it was really cute and perfect for the fall because fall is where we want to cozy up, maybe go inside, read a book, have some tea, coffee, whatever. So I thought this would be perfect for November since now we're about to be like peak fall season. So there's a particular page in this sticker book I was going to use, which I thought would match perfectly with the colors of the bookcase. So I'm not sure if I should use this doll. It's really cute. I thought about using this one. I also thought about using this one, but I feel like this one matches more. And then I was going to use this quote. First, I'm going to start with, where did I see it at? I think it was a to-do sticker. Hold on, let me find it again. I'm going to start with this to-do sticker. How nice is this? I like the pattern too, very cozy. And I'm gonna put it right here. Look how huge this sticker is. Wow, this is a big sticker. This covers up most of the design. Okay, so I won't put too much, but this is good because this is where I'll write everything. Isn't she cute? I wanna make sure she could be seen. Okay, yeah. I was actually a little worried because, you know, it's see-through, so, but this doesn't look too bad. It actually matches the colors really good. This doesn't look too bad at all. This cat is so cute. I'm gonna use this cat. I think I want to put this cat like right here. That is too cute. Now, I was gonna put this quote, but now I feel like I can't put this quote. So I think I'm gonna find some other quotes I can use. This one is going to be a really simple spread because I'll mostly be writing on it. So when I do spreads that are like, you know, more functional than decorative, I don't put as much decorative element into it, but I try to put enough. I cannot get this sticker back in right. Hold on. I'm being a perfectionist this morning. Why? I'm going to use some of these stickers. I don't know if it's going to be ones I created or not, but we're about to see. I think I want to add more box stickers. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh. Ooh, y'all look. This books. This is the fall paper pad from Recollection, so that's Michael's. I actually like these books right here. Ooh. Y'all, it's so funny. I always try to keep as much of my craft supplies as accessible as possible, but because I'm always working around the room, it's always somewhere else in the room, but it's never where I want it to be. It is so funny. I am always losing my craft tools, especially like scissors and knives. I don't know where they go. They're somewhere. This is cute. I'm gonna put this like right here. So I'm gonna have to hole punch again, but that's okay. Yeah, like this maybe. Actually, it might could go across the top of the page. I don't think I'm gonna leave it like this. I should have put it all the way across, but either way, I think it still looks good, but I don't know, I changed my mind at the last minute. And actually, I'll just do the same thing over here, might as well. Yeah, that's cute. I'll cut it at the end. Let me see, what else is in this book to add? I mean, I could do some fall elements. Oh, y'all, then I made some bows too to go with this spread. I don't know which one to choose, but I did make some bows. I love this one especially. Like, this is a fun one. These are kind of cute. I feel like knitting is very cozy too, so we're gonna add these. I like this blue. We're gonna add this blue too. That's cute. Let me see if I can get some other boxes. I'm thinking about using the ones I created maybe. And then I do have some affirmation stickers. Maybe this one. Actually, I kind of like the dark one. Let me see. Kind of like the dark one. Let's use that one. And that's probably going to be affirmation. Every time I find these stickers, I always forget that I made affirmation stickers. I always forget. So I need to make some more. And actually, I already mentioned this, but I do have a video coming up soon of me using the ink machine and doing a demo, so I could do like I think about doing like a Halloween spread or something. So I'm still figuring that part out, but I am putting out a new craft video soon of using the ink machine, and I'll be foiling this kind of sticker sheet and doing a demo and showing how I use it. Oh, this is coming out really cute. And when you foil with the machine, it comes out like this. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Ah, I feel like I missed the opportunity to use a foil sticker. I mean, I still can. Like, this one is cute. Yeah, like it should probably go right here, I guess. That's kind of cute, yeah. I want to add the other one too, but I'll save it. I want to say that's probably it because I don't want to overdo. Oh, here's another one, another color. That is so pretty. Oh, yellow. Because I've already tried to play around with it, so. But I can't wait to actually do like a demo video. You guys will get to see it. Oh, and then here's one that's like holo. It's so nice. And a good investment too. That might be it. So I think I'm going to do like some embellishments around. Like maybe I could go ahead and add leaves and stuff now. Like I just didn't want to do too much before. That's actually nice because this orange foil kind of matched the one I just added. So I'm going to add some of these leaves. Now part of me is thinking I should have left her on the white background and cut her out, but I kind of like the see-through too. I think you can still see it's a doll, right? Hopefully. And then I'm probably going to add like one more leaf. How cute is this? Let me see. I love this font. Yeah, because I'll be doing some November spreads, so a lot more of these stickers will get used. Oh, so cute. I think this looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead, hole punch, cut, all that good stuff to get it into my planner. And then actually, I totally forgot, there's an element I wanted to add that I'm gonna do on camera too. Hold on, let me hole punch. Okay, great. So the other element I wanted to add was this ribbon. I was gonna put it at the end of the page. And where's it at? So right here is what I did to my micro. I just glued it on there simply. That's it. But then, you know, once you have it closed, it's so cute, like it sticks out. It's just a nice embellishment. So that's what I was going to do to this. And then I have it for my other micro too. I like this one better because it sticks out even more. This one's really cute. So it's just ribbon and I simply just glued it on there. That's it. And I've been uploading micro videos, y'all, because that's what y'all want, right? So please check them out because super cute. Like, I am loving how my spreads are turning out. I'm getting so much better at putting cute spreads together. Super creative, making a lot more ideas and a lot more stuff on my own. Like, oh my gosh, I feel like a DIY channel, so fancy. But yeah, I want to add this. So I had a hard time choosing which color to add, but now I feel like this will kind of blend in a lot. I feel like I should do green because there's enough of this color on there already, but there's a lot of green too. Let me see. Should I do brown? That's how brown is gonna look. Or should I do green? Actually, I'm thinking about doing brown. I feel like it stands out more. But then, like, the green will match my bows. Let me see. I think I like brown. I like the mix of brown, green, all the fall colors. We're gonna do brown. So what I do with this is basically I'll stretch out the ribbon and then I'll cut it to whatever length it is. And I'll just kind of hand measure, I do. And I always like to make it a tad bit longer just in case, because some of these ribbons, the ends be coming on kind of frayed. Like this one. I should have used the right scissors. Hold on, I'm gonna use different scissors. I use my handy dandy spring scissors. I love my spring scissors. They are really good, cut so well, and they're by, who are they by? We Are Makers. So I got it at Michael's, and look how easy that came off. Yeah, I usually use these when I do ribbon stuff, like I guess when I make bows. So I use the cut. And I might do a tutorial video on how to do bows. I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on like this, and I do like to stretch it a little bit. So I'm gonna take my glue. Where is my glue? Oh. And what I'm probably gonna do is end the video to let it dry. So I need to do that. So basically, this is the spread. I'm gonna go ahead and glue it on there, but I still wanna go ahead and put it in the planner so you guys can see the whole thing. And then that'll be it. I should do like a glue versus glue video because I have been testing out glues, trying out different things. This glue does not want to come out this morning. I mean, that's fine because I don't need a lot anyway. You don't want to put too much on there. And then I'm gonna put this. I keep saying I'm going to, but I mean, I'm country, so. I'm gonna put this on here. Press down. Get it right while you can. Because once it's down, it is down. Now, I might not have put enough glue But you don't want to put too much because it will like seep out the ribbon and stuff. Or whatever this is. I don't know what this is. I don't think it's like a ribbon, but I'm just pressing down just to make sure it's down. And see, it stays pretty good. And also, I like to use my paperweights just in case. So I'm going to do that. Just some old textbooks I got. All right, it looked like it's stuck on there. Looks really good. And this is how it looks from the other side. So let me go ahead and cut. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness. It's actually going to be time to do a planner setup for, I guess, Thanksgiving, November. I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably going to do that. But I don't know what kind of setup yet because I don't have a cover to really match. I do have a cover that's coming in the mail, but it's not for disc bound. It's a ring bound. But it is the perfect fall cover too, my goodness. I'm gonna turn this around so you can see that. So cute. Here's the page. And there it is. This is how it looks. Looks really good. I love this. This is so fun. Like, honestly, some days, like in my micro, I'm just playing with the ribbon right here. It's so soft. This is so nice. And like I said, it came from Michael's and it came with like a cluster of other ribbons. So it's like a whole bundle. It's just really cute. Isn't this cute? This matches too, but I don't know. I guess I can add it. Yeah, I'm gonna add it. And then I really wanted to add this one. So actually what I might do, I think putting these two together would be so pretty. I need to try that. I'm gonna try that the next time I make a ribbon. I need to start playing with combinations, like, because sometimes you could put two together and it looks really good. I don't have it next to me, but where is it at? Hold on, let me find it because I want to show y'all. Oh yeah, like this one. So putting two together, especially when it's like contrasting materials, it looks so cute. So I'm thinking about combining these two. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that later, but this is how we're looking. How adorable. In love. I don't need to add all these, but I'm going to add them anyway. Because they're so extra. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am in love with how this came out. So I don't know if I'm going to use it for monthly goals or for reading. But I thought about using it for reading because I need to get back to it anyway. I need to read more. So I'm still debating, but I'll figure it out. But this is my cover page for November for my mini happy planner. I hope you guys got some good inspo out of this. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and bye guys.